Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, getting ready for a little trip. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we're getting the coach set for sale, so to speak. It is a brisk Friday morning. 37 when I got up. It's probably going to be our last trip of the season, and I've been pretty bad at making RV videos on our trips because I get more into the trip than the videos. But we're up early, we're packing it up, and we are going to Piedmont Lake in Ohio, and I'm going to try to film some more stuff there, show you the lake. First time we've ever been to this lake. Ohio has a lot of small lakes. It's a smaller lake, not as big as Raystown or Deep Creek or some of the bigger lakes, we've been to, but it looks pretty nice. So hey, I'm gonna take some video and some pictures and stitch this one together, hopefully better than the last couple of trips where I didn't do anything. If you're wondering, this is a Brigham 3-Dot, and I'm smoking Comfort, which a blend I really like. Catch you guys in a bit. Hey guys, what's happening? We're here at Piedmont Lake in Ohio, and it's early morning. Took a shower in the coach. Everything worked out. A little bit of issues with the fridge. It's always something. Well, the fridge is broke. It was a water issue with the ice maker. Got that figured. Not that it's gonna work. But I'm smoking my Ohio Briar, and this pipe from Dan Rees is named after this lake. When I bought it, I told him we were going to be here, so he named this serendipity the Piedmont Lake. Piedmont Lake. Piedmont Lake. And I'm smoking a little Comfort in it this morning. Got a little chilly last night. Definitely had the furnace on, but oh, look at that. This morning, a little chilly, but now it's 50. It's pretty nice. Spin you around real quick. Nice lake. A little bit smaller than Lake Raystown or Deep Creek, lakes that we frequent a lot, but that's fine. So we're gonna do some exploring today, some driving around, and a little more. But wanted to film some more for this RV trip because I never seem to. Have a good day. Hey guys, it's Sunday morning. Last day at Piedmont Lake. We're taking off in a couple hours. It was a real good time. Yesterday we did some driving around. We went to, there's a coach in the background. We went to Tappan Lake. It was a good time. Like I was saying, we're gonna cruise out of here in a couple hours. We didn't have a lot of stuff out on this trip. It's kind of cold. Didn't even pull the awning out. It was kind of windy yesterday. We didn't have the kitchens or anything out. We did a little cooking inside. Found a nice restaurant at Tappan Lake yesterday. Had a good cheeseburger. And so today we're just gonna mosey in a little bit. Clean things up. And that's about it. Catch you in a bit.